Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to contrast the sound and the sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. To pronounce the sound and the sound, back of the tongue rises up but doesn't touch the soft palate. Your tongue must be relaxed, centered at the midline. Open your mouth slightly. Keep the lips neutral and relaxed. The only difference between the sound and the sound is the sound is a long sound and the sound is a short sound. For example, here I have two words, and un. You can see that in the first word, the sound is very long and the n sound is very short. And on the second word, the sound is very short, but the n sound is very long. Let's compare these two words again. Un. Now let's try to say some words with the long sound and the short sound. The first word is a long sound and the second one is short sound. Cơm, căm. Sơn, sân. Dơm, dâm. Thơm, thâm. Lớp, lấp. Lớn, lấn. Cơm tấm. Sớm nhất. Tập hợp. Nhất lớp. Tất mới. Tới tấp. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the long sound and the short sound. We're going to do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Thơm, thấp, nhất, lớp. Now a little bit faster. Thơm, thấp, nhất, lớp. Now with normal speed. Thơm, thấp, nhất, lớp. Sơn, nấu, cơm, tấm. Now a little bit faster. Sơn, nấu, cơm, tấm. Now with normal speed. Sơn, nấu, cơm, tấm. Tâm, tới, sớm, nhất, lớp. Now a little bit faster. Tâm, tới, sớm, nhất, lớp. Now with normal speed. Tâm, tới, sớm, nhất, lớp. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.